Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel again, and in this tutorial I'll be showing you guys how to go about doing a music cover using Photoshop. If you're just coming across my channel for the first time, you're welcome, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down there and also turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I drop another wonderful tutorial video. Without any further delay, let's dive into the video. So the size is 2000 by 2000. As you can see, 2000 by 2000. So bring in the first background image. We want to create our background first. Bring in the first image. We are going to resize it fully. Then we'll go to image, then adjustment, then hue. We change the color to -20. You set the hue to -20. Then after we'll go to filter, then blur, then Gaussian blur. We'll set it to 72.6. Then we'll bring in the second image. We're going to resize it fully. Just like that. And then we'll change the layer mode to lightning. Then after we'll go to filter, then blur, then Gaussian blur. Set it to 9.6. Then we'll bring in this image here, the third background. I'm going to move it up. Then we'll add layer marks to it. Then we'll pick up our brush. We want to treat the down part, the edges, to blend with the picture on behind it, the image behind it. Then after I've done that, we'll go to filter, then blur, then Gaussian blur. We'll set it to 9.0. So bring in this cloud image, then we'll resize it. And so we'll change the layer mode to soft light. Then we'll bring in this image that looks like this colorful image. We'll shift it to the right. Then we'll add layer marks to it. Then we'll select our brush tool. Then we'll blend the edges like that. Then we'll change the layer mode to lightning. lightning, then we'll go to filter, then blur, then motion blur. We set it to 36, the distance. Yeah, so bring in this like a how will I say it's like, is it a smoke background, yeah, or a cloud background too. Then we'll set it to layer mode to lightning, then we'll reduce the opacity to 42. Yeah, 42. And after, bring in this image, place it somewhere around the center. Yeah, then we'll add the layer mask to it. Select our brush to then treat the edges, the top edge and the down part, the up, like that. Then after, we'll change layer mode to linear judge, add, just like that. And then bring in this traffic light. No, before that, let's bring in this image to make it a bit dark, just a bit dark. Then we'll add layer mask. Before that, we'll change the layer mode to lightning. Then we'll add the layer mask. We'll clear the down part. We don't need the down part, it's only the upper part we need. Yeah, so we'll bring in this traffic light image, place it on top like that. Yeah, then we'll change layer mode to screen. Then just bring in the main image. Yeah, size it, and we'll duplicate it. We keep one, then we'll hold our Ctrl plus T. You right click, then you select flip vertically, you turn upside down like this, then we'll place it down. Yeah, so bring in, yeah, increase the other one, increase it, and we'll place it very well above the one under, just like that. Yeah, the one under, will reduce the opacity to 63. Yeah, now before that, it's time to write there's this text effect I've done already. So looking for it, yeah, where is it? Yeah, wood. Yeah, so bring it to the Photoshop. Yeah, place it at the center, centralize it. Yeah, so sorry, click on it. Then once you change the color, go to image adjustment, then hue and saturation. You set the hue to -52. Then the title of the song, I want to name it the music cover Gravity's Ode. So you can name it any name of your choice. For me, I'll name my Gravity Ode. And just change the font to a nice font. Now reduce it, the size it goes. Yeah. Then reduce the size a bit. Yep. Then place it here, so around the center. Then we'll add some drop shadows to it. The color to be black, the angle 0, distance 0, the spread 23, and the size 152. Yeah. And then reduce the, let me see, yeah. And then if you wish to write the name of the producer of the beat you use for this song, then I'll just say produced by NX Tunes. Then I'll give it some spacing. I'll change the font to a light font there. Then give it some spacing in between there. Then change the color of the shadow to something. The color code is D0024A. Then I'll just reduce the opacity to 18. Yeah, we'll reduce it a bit. Then I'll centralize the text. Then write the name of the artist, put the name of the artist on top. I will name my NX Design. NX Design. Yeah. The resources will be available in the description. And also, if you are wondering which version of Photoshop I'm using Photoshop 2019. Yep. Then we'll add some gradient color to it. Looking for the right gradient color. looking for the right one. Yep. I'm going to change the color, job shadow. Just, yeah, centralize it. Yeah, and so that's it on how to design a music cover on Photoshop. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and also turn on the notification bell so that you will get notified whenever I drop another tutorial video. Thank you, and see you in my next tutorial video.